Dear students, greetings from Dr. T. Sendil Murugan, Associate Professor and Head Department of Information Technology, Faculty Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about multiple stack. In the previous video lecture, we have discussed about what is stack, how the stack is working, what are the stack operations. So now, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about multiple stack. Dear students, this is week 4, lecture 2, classroom discussion topic 11, CDT 11. We are going to discuss about multiple stack concept. So before starting the lecture, we have to discuss about course lecture outcome. In this lecture, after completion of this lecture, students will be able to develop a C program to perform push and pop operations of multiple stacks in real-time applications. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about multiple stack, how it is working, what are the operations. Based on the knowledge, you can apply in real-time applications. So what is multiple stack? The stack is allocated less space, then frequent overflow condition will be encountered. So we know that stack is considered like this. So if we are mentioned size is 5, okay. So many times if you want to do more elements, so what happen? Maximum times we will get overflow condition. Okay. Why? Because it is very less number of space allocated for the program. So to deal with this problem, the code will have to modify to reallocate more space for the array. How it will be done? Using multiple stack. In case what happen? In case if we are allocating more amount, large amount of space for the stack, it may result in wastage of memory. If we allocate less memory, overflow problem is comes. If you allocate more memory, memory may be wasted. We are using very limited. So in this situation, so we have to use frequency of overflow and space allocation. It will be the making the problem. No? So the better solution is we have to adapt with multiple stack concept. What is multiple stack? That means have more than one stack in the same array of sufficient size. Okay. We will use multiple stack. Like what is the condition we have to follow? Whenever we want to insert the element in the stack is only top position. So if it is like that, it will take time also. For that reason, we can include more stack in the particular array. Okay. So what happen if in case we are used a single stack? That's the problem. That like not sufficient to store the large amount of data. To overcome this problem, we are coming for multiple stack. If even we are using more than one stack also in a single array, that is important. In a single array, if we are using more than one stack, that is considered as the multiple stack. Okay, so how we can perform it, that operation? The array is divided for multiple stacks. Okay, so how it will be there? So example, if you are consider this is the array. Okay, so we know that this is the first position. First element will come here. Just like it will be stored there, it will be stored here, like that it will be there, no? So this is stack 1. So in case if you consider this is stack 1. So another one is, this is the full array we are allocated, no? So here we can start from this direction. This direction, another one, stack 2. Okay. So this top pointer is pointing to stack 1, stack 1 top pointer. Here stack 2 top pointer will point. Okay. So it will increase top plus plus for insert the operation. This will be top like here also the n minus 1 it will start, no, n minus 2, n minus 3 it will come. Okay. So like that the operation will be there. We will see this example. Suppose what happened. So for this example, stack n is divided into two stacks. stack A and stack B. You take n value is 10. How you can perform it? To stack A expand from left to right. I already told this stack. Okay. So consider this 10 positions are there. First position is stack A. Will start from 0th element. Okay, 0th locations. Then right to left. This is for left to right. This is for right to left. For that we can use 10th element. Okay, so 10th element may be here. 0th element array will be the 5th element. Here this n minus 1, 9th element. Okay, normally we can say. If whenever we can consider both stack, even we are using 2 stack also, we don't exceed the maximum size. Maximum size already we fixed n equal to 10. We don't exceed this value. Within this value, we have to use 2 stacks. Okay. See this example. So as per previous stack, n equal to 10. The maximum value is n minus 1, 0 to n minus 1. So 9 is the maximum value. Maximum we can store 10 elements only, not more than that. So whenever we are inserting the element, the top pointer will pointing to next, increasing the top plus plus value. Here we are using top minus minus value. Okay, why? Because it is right to left. This is stack B. Okay, so we are using 2 stack. What condition we have to check for multiple stack? Okay, so it is moving this direction. This top is moving this direction. Whenever it will meet, don't cross this value. Okay, so stack A top value as well as stack B top value should not be same. Okay, if it is same means that is stack overflow. Got it? So that we have to check in this condition. So what are the operations? Already we know that stack push operation, same. Whatever operation we are discussed in the previous lecture, same operations will be there in the multiple stack also. Operation wise, there is no difference. Okay, same push operation for insert the element, pop operation for remove or delete the element. We have to check the condition the stack is empty or not. Again, we have to check the condition the stack is full or not. Okay, so then finally peak operation also is there. It is pointing to the topmost element. Okay. Those are the operations. Now we will write the program for multiple stack, how it is working. You just see first initially we have 2 stack. So in this program initially I declared stack maximum size is 10. I have 2 stack A and stack B. For that 2 pointer I created. Top A is pointing to null, top B means stack A, top pointer is pointing as top A, stack B, top pointer is pointing to top B. Okay, so the initial value is -1, here maximum value. Okay, so already we discussed. So now how we can insert the element in stack A. In stack A, how we can represent? So we have 2 stack A, stack B. For this operations, we can use push A. Here, push B. Same like that, pop A, pop B. So previously same thing, show operation, show A, show B for display the answers. Then here also top value is there, no? Top A and top B. So these are the things we are going to consider in this program. So what I told, if top A and top B -1, it should not be equal. Then only we can insert the element. If it is equal means that is overflow. Okay, I told So this is the stack. So stack A pointer is pointing to here. So this one top B. This pointer is pointing to maximum location. Okay, so this is initial condition. So this is initially top -1. Okay, here maximum -1 is the last position. So initially we have to fix max value is the top B value. Okay, so this has happened. After that, it will move this direction. This will move this direction. Whenever it is equal, then it is overflow. Okay, we are unable to add the element into the stack. Clear? So if we check the condition overflow, if it is not overflow, what we have to do? We are adding the element into the stack A. Same top plus plus, top plus one. I told the previous lecture, same like that we have to perform. Stack top A value we have to assign. So then it will be stored in that value. Okay. So next pop operation, we know that we have to check what condition we have to check. Top A equal to -1 we have to check. What is the meaning of that? It is underflow. There is no element. How we can delete it? So we can check it is -1 or not. If -1 means no elements are there, it is underflow. We can print underflow value. Okay. So we can just assign the values are -999 for null values. Else, if else means we can remove the element. The top element will be assigned to the value. Which value it is there, that will be stored in the value. Then top A minus minus. Simply we can minus the element. One element will be popped out. So this is a pop operation for stack A. Okay. So again we have to display show operation. I told So we can check it is empty or not. If it is not empty, we can print it from all the stack. If it is empty means stack A is empty, we can print. Otherwise, we can use from I equal to top A. Wherever the top A pointer is pointing, from that position to 0th position, it will print. I minus minus, it will print. Okay. So same like that for stack B also, but the condition we have to check. Where we have to check top B minus 1. Why? Because top B is maximum value. So top B minus 1 means max minus 1 value. Array is the max minus 1 value. These both are equal means overflow. Same condition we are checking here also. If top B equal to 1, okay. So what we have to do? Top minus equal to 1. Why? Because we have to move right to left. We have to do the minus operation, not plus operation. Okay. So after that one value it will be minus, then it will be add in that position. Directly we can assign the value. This value will be assigned to top B positions. Top, what is the top B position? If this is the stack, already it is pointing to maximum position. So I want to add first element means max minus 1. Okay, so that is top B is pointing top B minus 1. It will pointing to the nth minus 1 place. Okay, so here I will add that value so then it will move this direction, so top minus 1. Okay. So remainings are similar. Pop also we have to check it is maximum value or not. If it is maximum, it is underflow. Otherwise, we can remove the element top plus plus. So while we are removing, we can shift this direction because top element is pointing to this location. Okay. So this is here plus 1 is there, here minus 1 is there. Okay, for push operation. In pop operation, here minus 1 is there, here maximum value is there. That we have to remind it. Okay. And here top A minus minus we are here we are using top plus plus. That is the difference between multiple stacks with the normal stack. Okay, so now display the second stack of B. So the top B is pointing to somewhere max minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 we are using that pointing up to maximum value we can print it. So now main function. So in the main function we have to perform this operation. We will give the menu 1 2 3 4. Okay. So here two stack we are using now for push 2 numbers, for pop 2 numbers, for display 2 numbers, finally etc. You get the choice, accordingly you can call the function. Okay. So if choice is 1 means directly you will give the value. With the value you can call the push function. If stack B, then same push B value. So next to delete operation, pop operation, you can check it is minus 999. If it is not there, you can one value you can move. Same pop operation, you can call that function. So finally, content of the stack A, you can call the display function A. and next one is content of stack B. You can call the display function of stack B. Okay, so how the multiple stack is working, we are seeing using the C programs. Clear? So after this, it will show the output like this. You will give the choice 1 means it will insert the value for stack A. Okay. So if you given like that, if you are changing the choice, if 5 they are given means it will print the values of stack A. 15, 10 it will be printed. So finally 4 if they are given means what is the fourth one? Pop from the stack B. Stack B there is no value, so it will show the underflow. So you can check all the options, all the test cases, how the program is working. Okay. So now it is the reflections part question. The question is how to represent overflow and underflow in second stack of multiple stack. Multiple stack, second stack means stack B, I'm asking. So now we are discussed. You just write the answer in your notebook. I will give the 10 seconds time. So if you have written the correct answer, we can proceed further. Otherwise, you go back and watch the video once again. Then you will write the answer. Okay. So if you have any further doubt, you come with the doubt. We will discuss in the classroom discussion. Okay. So I hope you have written the answer. So the answer is we already given two conditions. One is if overflow means, but we have to check top B minus 1 equal to top A or not. That is overflow condition. So top B equal to max means there is no value. So then it is underflow condition. If you have written correct answer, you will proceed further. Otherwise, go back and watch the video once again. So summary of this entire lecture is the definition of multiple stack. We discussed what is multiple stack, how the stack is working from left to right, right to left. Those things we check. And operation on multiple stack like push operation, pop operation, peak operations, is empty, is full functions we are checked. Those things we are discussed. And implementation of multiple stack, how it is working with the diagrammatic representation as well as using the program we are discussed. I hope you enjoyed this video. With the concept of those things, you have to solve this issue. The program to demonstrate the different operation on multiple stacks. You can create multiple stacks and you can write the program. In a single array, you can write more than one stack that is considered as a multiple stack. So previous one we discussed about only 2 stack. If in case if you want to add more stack means accordingly you can write the program. So you can try with 3 stack in a single array, okay, for this program. So now we have to revisit our lecture outcome. Having completed the discussion on multiple stack concept, now students should be able to develop a C program to perform push and pop operations of multiple stacks in real-time applications. Wherever we need this multiple stack concept, we can apply this knowledge. Okay. Thank you very much for listening this video. If you have doubt, you can refer Rima Tareja reference book, chapter number 7.6, multiple stacks. Further doubt, you can visit tutorial 6. Even if you have doubt, you come with the doubt, we will discuss in the classroom. Thank you very much for listening this video without disturbance. Thank you.